from making up her own traffic laws.
Don't like to play by the real rules, but I already know them.
Okay.
I'm not going to accept. Step down. Know your place.
To claiming that God decides everything.
Not a privilege, it's a right. It's a God-given right for me to be able to travel.
Do you have your registration?
These are times when entitled sovereign citizens realize their law is fake. But before you know who they are, subscribe for more great videos. To begin, there was an entitled grandma who believed she was a law unto herself.
Stop sign. You ran a stop sign.
Has any property been taken?
No.
Get out of the car!
Oh no.
Get out of the car!
Oh, hold on.
Get out of the car!
Help!
Get out of the car!
On July 10th, 2025, while on patrol, an officer observed a vehicle failed to stop at a stop sign and initiated a traffic stop. The officers didn't expect to encounter such a stubborn, sovereign citizen.
The stop sign and the stop bar. You stopped in the middle of the intersection and then you proceeded to go. Okay. You have a driver's license on you?
I don't.
You don't have your driver's license? Do you have a driver's license?
Yes.
Yes. Is it valid?
Yes.
It is valid. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle? I'm sorry? Okay. Any reason why it wouldn't be? Ma'am, you gotta speak up. I can't hear you very well.
Because I don't think it's necessary to travel in my car.
You don't think you need a driver's license to drive your car? What does that mean? Okay. Who's the registered owner of this vehicle? Okay. What is your first name? Do you have the registration for your vehicle? I'm sorry? I don't need to see the registration for your vehicle? Why do you think that I don't need to see it?
Because what you're doing was illegal. I am traveling in my car.
You ran a stop sign
I didn't run a stop sign. I stopped.
in the middle of the intersection after you've already ran the stop sign.
No.
Okay. Do you have insurance?
Is that on video?
No, I don't. Do you have insurance? Okay. So you're driving a motor vehicle in the state of Florida. Okay. You're required to have a driver's license. You're required to show proof of insurance.
Are you under your oath? You have your identification?
Yes, I have my identification. 344. My name is Officer DeLeon. So what is the status of your driver's license?
Officer. And I would like to know what harm
10-4. May I have another unit?
was caused.
I'm sorry?
Why are you pulling me?
I am pulling you over.
What harm was caused?
Allow me to answer your question for the fourth time. The reason for your stop today is because you ran a stop sign, and now I'm initiating a traffic stop based off of that moving violation. Okay?
And I'm telling you that I am a real person with real arms and legs.
Right.
I'm not a corporation. I'm not the person on my identification.
Okay, but in the state of Florida, you have to have...
She had 1,000 excuses ready to counter every question and warning from the police. Clinging to those arguments, she still believed this was just a routine warning, but she was dead wrong.
Okay, so is it valid or is it not
I
valid?
think it's valid.
Okay, but why won't you show your...
Because I don't have to.
Okay.
Under the Constitution of the United States, we do not have to.
I think you are very misinformed about the laws in the state of Florida. I'm not. Trust me, I'm not.
There have been no harm done.
You ran a
Has
stop
any person
sign.
been hurt?
You ran a stop sign.
Has any property been taken?
No.
So you are harassing.
Okay. You ran a stop sign, which is a moving violation in the state of Florida.
In my
You have no proof of insurance. You don't want to give me any of your paperwork.
car. I don't need any of that. I'm traveling in my car.
You do need that. You have to provide that documentation. Driving is not a right. It is a privilege.
No, driving actually is a privilege.
It is not a right, ma'am.
Yeah, it is a privilege.
It's not. It's set on the driver's license that you say you were issued. It says on your driver's license that driving is not a right, ma'am.
I can't do that.
Okay.
Are you ready to go to jail for Tuesday?
Okay, so what I'm going to ask you to do is step out of the car.
Why?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the car. It's a lawful order. Because you're not cooperating with my traffic stop.
What's up?
I'm going to have her step out.
All right, step out. Step out.
She doesn't want to provide any information.
Step out.
Are you gonna kidnap me?
Get out of jail. Get out of the car. You're going to jail.
Wait a minute.
You're going to jail. Get out of the car.
Oh no.
Out of the car.
Oh, hold on.
Get out of the car.
Help!
Get out of the car.
Help!
No, you're going. Get on the ground.
Help!
Stop resisting.
Help! Help! Stop resisting!
Get out of the car.
Oh my God.
Give me your hands.
Oh my God. Oh, you're hurting me.
Well, stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
I gotta get in.
Throughout the entire encounter, she stubbornly refused to roll down her window even an inch. But moments later, that barrier was forced open, followed by the very action everyone was waiting for.
15.
I'm burning on the concrete.
We're gonna get you up in a second.
Dad, you got out of the car like she asked you to?
Hold on, I'm trying to lock it.
Up on your knees.
My glasses. I can't see without my
All
glasses.
right, well, we'll get them for you in a minute.
Stand up.
I thought about that before you resisted. Get up.
I can't.
Stand up.
I can't.
Why can't you?
Because I'm very weak. Okay. One leg at a time, okay?
Oh my God.
I can't. Come on, stand up. I can't. It's burning me.
Well, then get up.
Stand up.
Okay. Step up. 1, 2, 3. Walk.
I need my phone. I need my phone.
All right, we'll get it. She's gonna search you.
Help! I'm being kidnapped! Okay, my feet are burning. Can I have my shoes?
You'll have your shoes in a second. Listen, next time.
Driven by a sovereign citizen mindset, she refused to comply. Once detained, she screamed for attention, but it was all in vain.
All right, have a seat. Now you got a resisting charge.
How do I have a resistance
Yep,
charge?
you didn't get out of the car. You good, Taya?
Yeah.
Everything good? What'd you have?
So she ran a stop sign.
Okay.
She did give me her name, but
Okay.
she ran a stop sign. She says she doesn't have to give proof of insurance, doesn't have to give the registration, doesn't have to give me your driver's license. I asked her for driver's license valid. She told me that I didn't need some of that information.
Okay.
And then as soon as you pulled up, I said, step out of the car. She said, I don't have to step out of the car if I violate the Constitution, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
She said she's traveling, not driving. She's not a professional driver.
Cool.
With that sovereign citizen ego compliance simply wasn't in her vocabulary. The moment the handcuffs came out, she started screaming for the world to see, but her desperate cries for attention fell on deaf ears.
Hey, I don't see a current registration and or insurance in this stack. It's all expired. Rider for everything. Rider for, you got resisting, which is 1015 for, but you have the stop sign, which is PC, and you got no proof.
At her age, she could have been relaxing and enjoying life, but her own stubbornness led to her arrest on charges of resisting without violence, running a stop sign, having no proof of insurance, and driving with a long expired registration. Lesson learned. Please present your identification when requested by the police to avoid trouble. Oh, what do you think? Leave a comment below the video. But she isn't the only defiant sovereign citizen out there, because the woman in our next case is about to be 100 times more stubborn.
Don't like to play by the real rules, but I already know them.
Okay.
I'm not going to accept. Step down. Know your place.
On August 14th, 2025, while on patrol, an officer observed a Tesla with a missing tag and initiated a traffic stop. The officers quickly realized they weren't dealing with a driver, but a sovereign citizen looking for a fight.
Why do you not have a license plate on the back of the Tesla?
This is a brand new car. I just purchased it. I have the temporary tag.
Where's the temporary tag?
Should be on the back. Bro, like on the.
On the back, there's nothing there. So I don't know, maybe you lost it while you were driving. If that's the insurance, we're gonna need that too, and your license.
I don't need to give you guys anything.
What's your issue? Why are you being like that? I should have stopped you because you don't have the license plate. You said that it should be there, right? And I told you that it's not. So then where is it?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, so then that's why I'm asking you, okay? And then in order for me to move forward, I will need the information because obviously I can't get anything off of a tag that's not there.
Got to give her at least her name and name and date of birth, and it has to show you a form of ID.
What is your name?
I'm not contracting with you, but I give them my name. But I want to make sure for the record. Is your camera on?
Of course.
Okay, good. I'm not contracting with the state. I'm not contracting with you whatsoever. I'll give you my name solely for the purpose.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Tell me your name. I'm sorry, say that again? How do you spell it? Last name. Sorry?
I'm not in the jurisdiction. I'm not traveling. I'm sorry, I'm not driving. I am traveling right
Oh, so she's just giving me first name.
Ma'am, we have to be able to identify you because you're lawfully being stopped.
now. Lawful being stopped under what grounds?
You have no tag on your vehicle.
Right, and as I just mentioned.
Sorry?
Huh?
Why are you guys surrounding my vehicle right now? Now I feel threatened.
You have PC to tow the car without a tag on it right now.
So you have no tag on your vehicle.
I
That's
understand.
why you're being stopped.
Correct.
Okay. So being that you're on a lawful stop, you're being lawfully stopped with probable cause of having no tag.
What crime is that?
You have no. You're not understanding. You have
That's
no
not a crime.
tag.
That's not a crime.
That is a crime. Yes, it is.
It's not a crime.
Yes, it is.
Quick get your attorney.
Are you going to identify yourself? You have to have some type of way to identify you.
Okay, what are you looking at?
10-4. She's talking to you, so then talk to her. If I was gonna...
With her limited understanding, she still believed that driving a Tesla without a license plate was perfectly normal. Her ego, fueled by the delusion that she could make her own rules, prevented her from accepting the reality of the situation.
Well, I'm not allowing you to go in.
Okay, so can you give us your name?
I just gave it to
First
her.
name, last name.
I just gave it to her.
We're gonna need more information than what you were telling us. Either you allow for us to get the documents out of your trunk, or you give us the information verbally. Those are your only two options at this time.
You have to.
I'm trying to work with you, but you guys are being
Go ahead and roll, Johnson.
extremely aggressive.
Yeah.
You have to identify.
Make sure you're ready to get her out of the car.
All right. We're gonna go ahead and... Afuera.
You're gonna what?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Is the car off?
No, excuse me. What are you about to do?
Is the car off,
What are you
ma'am?
about to do?
We're going to remove you and the passenger out of the vehicle
You are
due
not
to
going to
you
do
not
that.
wanting to cooperate with
I
us and
am
provide us
not
the information
agreeing
that we are
on
asking for you to give us.
I am not agreeing to you. Excuse me. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I got her here.
Go ahead and step out. Step out.
Because you're not identifying yourself.
I just gave you my freaking name. What the hell are you talking about? Yes, I did. Do not touch me.
Get out of the car.
Come here. Just come with me.
No.
I'm gonna have you come to the back of the car over here.
Do not touch my daughter.
Your daughter's cooperating. We don't have to do anything. You're not cooperating.
I'm finna get the venom off the vehicle.
I need all of y'all badge, your names, your badge numbers, etc.
Just go ahead and you can lean up
Do not
against the
touch
car.
me. Can you let go of me?
No, so then lean against the car.
I'll lean against cover. Let go of me.
Stay right there.
I have not committed a crime. You need to get me out of
Okay,
these damn
sounds
handcuffs.
good. We already
Get me out
tried
of
talking to
handcuffs.
you. We're done
Where's
talking.
your supervisor, sir? Sir, since she is not cooperating as an individual, doing her duties in her job.
She's doing exactly what she should be doing, ma'am.
Supervisor.
Would be happy to get a supervisor here for you, okay?
I need him now. Right now.
He's calling.
You've been uncooperative so far.
Even with handcuffs secured on her wrists, she remained defiant, insisting she had done nothing wrong. She continued to question why she was being arrested, even though the reality of her legal situation was now crystal clear.
I didn't request to be yanked out of my vehicle.
Okay. Due to you not cooperating with us, that's what happened. So now we're going to do what you want, and you called for our supervisor. He's going to be on the way. You can talk to him further.
5 Yankee Juliet 3.
But just so you know what's happening, right? So your mom's being detained right now because she's driving a vehicle without a license plate on it, right? So we don't know what's going on, so she's being detained. You're not detained. We just need to get you out of the car because the car is likely going to be towed. Stokes, you mind closing that door for me on the car? Thank you. Not you, ma'am. Not you, ma'am.
I need her to get your hair out of my eyes, please.
The officer there can help you with that,
No,
okay?
I do not want her to touch me again.
It's fine.
Please. Get out of my mom.
Okay. So you're not being detained then, right? Your mom is. Okay, so if somebody comes to pick you up, whatever it is, they're welcome to do that. You do not have to stay here. should you not want to. Okay, if you want to remain with your mom, you're welcome to do that. I'm just here to make sure that no cars hit you, that you're safe and all that stuff. You're free to go anywhere you wish. Hey, Sarge. She's passenger in the van, so I'm just making sure she's okay.
Okay. What do we got going on?
Driver down.
Okay. How can I help you?
There's no crime, which there is not. I need to be removed from these handcuffs right now.
Okay.
These aggressive ass cops surrounded my car, surrounded my vehicle without my consent. Open my door unlawfully and yank me out of my car.
Okay.
When I'm not driving. I'm not doing any commercial activity right now. That's my daughter. She's going to school.
You said you weren't driving?
Correct. I'm traveling. And I know y'all don't like to play by the real rules, but I already know them.
Okay.
I'm not going to accept anything less than. And everyone here is going to be sued
Okay.
for their unlawful behavior right now. This is unreal.
Okay.
Not only that, but I'm pregnant and she touched me in ways that is not acceptable.
Okay.
All right.
Let me just stay here. I'll talk to the other officer. See what you guys got going on. Okay.
With no excuses left, she used her pregnancy as a final plea for sympathy. However, the officers knew better. No expectant mother would act as recklessly and ignorantly as she did.
I need to make sure that whatever she gets is not going to hurt us. That's all I'm trying to do, okay?
So ridiculous. I can't
You're
believe
okay to come over here, okay? Your stuff, can we open this door over here? Is that okay? Okay. I just don't want you sitting over there with cars.
Sarge wants to speak with you.
I'm off.
Sounds cool.
Good enough. That, stay in here, right? I'm just going to close this for you so it doesn't get all over the car. Is it okay if she gets your phone? Do you know where it is? Yeah, okay. Just, show it to your mom. Make sure that's your phone.
Do not touch me.
Put this phone back in the car, please.
You can't give it to your mom. Are you going to take it with you?
Oh no, she's giving it to me. Why can't
You can't have your phone. She said she was taking it with her. Okay.
Why can I not have my phone?
Because you're detained right now, ma'am.
For what crime?
The officer explained that to you already, right?
No, there's no crime taking
Okay.
place
Are you
here.
taking this with you, or are you leaving?
Leave it in the car.
Leaving the car? Okay.
Can I talk to my daughter? Can you get away from me, please?
No, I cannot get away from you. You're detained at this time.
You can talk to your daughter, but just we can't let you walk away.
I'm not asking to walk away. I'm asking her to come here and y'all step away from me, please.
I'm not.
She's right here. She's right here, ma'am. You can talk to her.
Call Chris, please.
If we're gonna do telephone communication between the two, we're not gonna allow that to happen.
You do not need to talk to her, period. Step down. Know your place.
No.
You work for us.
Then, okay.
Do not touch me. Let me... Sir, can you please get this woman off of me?
Ma'am,
I'm gonna have to put her in the car because she's not. I'm gonna have to put her in the car.
Sir, please get her off of me.
Because she's trying to do.
Sir,
she's trying to ask her daughter to call. She's asking.
Stuff.
She claimed that the officers should know their place, but she was the one who truly needed a reality check. The delusions of these self-proclaimed citizens clearly know no bounds.
Okay. So based
There
on
was one on there. I literally bought that from
So-
dealership not even a month ago.
so based on you not cooperating and providing the officers the information they needed, that's a form of passive resistance.
It is not.
And they're placing you in
Sir, it's
arrest
not.
as a result of that. That's
Sir,
what
it's not.
that's why you're in handcuffs, because they're trying to
Who is the injured party right now then?
I don't know if there's an injured
Then there's
party
no crime
by
here
your
right
terms
now.
by your terms,
There's
but
no crime.
I'm just explaining to you what
whatsoever.
happened.
And I have not
All
resisted
right.
anything.
Okay. Ma'am, do you want me to? Your daughter needs to get to school. Okay, so do you want me to release her to school? Do you want me to escort her to school? How do you want me to get her over there?
You can come over here.
Sir, can you please get this woman out of my face?
I'm not moving.
Ma'am, let's just focus on your daughter.
Just focus on her. Focus on your daughter.
Can you please call Chris? Is he not answering?
Ma'am,
Okay, how you get your daughter to school? Because this is why I separated you, because you're trying to do stuff through your daughter, which you're not allowing. How are you going to get your daughter to
Who are you, my maker? Like, who are you to not allow?
We're gonna close the door.
Am I gonna walk her over there, or is she gonna walk by herself?
I don't really think she's.
I don't mind walking over.
Yeah, let's walk. We're gonna walk you over to school, okay? We're not gonna walk you into the campus, but we're just gonna, so that way you're not embarrassed. We're gonna walk you up and just see you in.
I'll take it.
All right.
Somebody forgot.
Hey, Vinny, just let her know where her mom will be at, okay? So she could tell the adult. All right, go ahead and do whatever you're gonna do. If you want to just take her, we're gonna tow the car. We're gonna write her a ticket.
Have you and mom been through this type of stuff before? No? Okay. So just real quick, let me just explain to you, and then this way you can explain to anybody else you need to.
Did I hear you say that the parents were on?
No, their cameras should have been on. I'm gonna go watch the body camera footage and make sure that they handled you in a manner that was appropriate. And
I have not resisted once.
Your mom is required to provide us an ID, driver's license, name, date of birth, something like that.
at that point,
Law states that I don't even need to provide unless a crime has been committed.
that's not true. If do you have a Florida driver's license or no?
I do.
Okay, so when you sign for a Florida driver's license, in part you agree
And I
that you had
already revoked it.
Right.
So as I told her, my other ID is in my car.
Right.
I'm sorry, in my trunk. She wanted to go into my trunk. I don't trust either one of them because of the way that they treated me. So the second they walked up to my car, the second they walked up to my car.
Okay, so probably by the time you get out of school today, should be out. Okay.
Okay.
Just because you have nothing else better to do.
Okay.
You don't understand you don't understand what liability that you are.
So we're gonna go ahead and get going because the longer we keep you here, the longer this is something that you'll probably be able to get through, processed, and be out within a reasonable amount of time, or within 6 to 8 hours. So the sooner we get you down and get you processed, the sooner you can get out. So I'm not going to hold you.
Perhaps the police have been too lenient with people like her, which is why her arrogance persisted until the very end. Even as the consequences became unavoidable, she remained trapped in her own defiance.
Called you, sir, right? To pick up the vehicle. So he's now saying he wants to arrange transport for somewhere.
You
So
want to drive it? They're being assholes about it. So if you want to, I could definitely drive it. They're being assholes. No, he can't drive it.
no.
So it's not a
you
law
can,
that'll
but
break
you're
the
here
law.
now. So now you guys, it's your policy as to what you need to do.
I mean, just because I'm here, if y'all are okay with
Well, you
driving.
couldn't drive it unless I have a tag
It
on
doesn't
it.
have a tag.
So there you go. Okay then.
Correct. What law? Point to me. What law that says if we're
let
in
me
commerce,
explain.
we need a driver.
Let me explain.
I know exactly the law.
If you get in the vehicle and you pull away, we will see you. We're going to pull
fine.
you over.
That's fine.
And then
you're going to have a lawsuit. Then you're going to lose your job. You're going to lose your job, and you're going to lose your job.
I'm not worried about losing
You
my
guys,
job.
you guys have not provided a law.
If you don't mind, just I don't want you to get back up.
You guys have not provided a law because we wouldn't be. First and foremost, somebody took the tag off, or it flew off. So it's not like it's a stolen vehicle.
But we still have probable cause to pull the vehicle over.
That the tag flew off, the tag, got lost. We asked her, we said, ma'am, where's the tag? She's like, she was talking to my other partner. And we asked her, where's the tag? If you just give us the information, say, where's the tag? This could have all been seized. Like, this all wouldn't happen. She wouldn't tell us about the tag. She wouldn't give us the VIN. She wouldn't give us the registration. She wouldn't give us the insurance. She wouldn't give us her name. She wouldn't.
We still can't drive.
So that was right. If I'm stopping you, because there's no tag, because that is a Florida state statute.
That's it. It's not a law. So I want to
We're not going to argue over it. No, I'm saying, so this is what we're going to do. I thought you drove another car here.
No, absolutely not.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do. You can't drive it in our presence.
Absolutely.
Since you're here, you're in control of it. No, we don't want to know that. We're going to leave.
Okay.
If you drive this car and you get stopped again, we're not going to mess with you. But if somebody else stops you, you have to deal with the repercussions, okay? But don't drive this in our presence.
Absolutely.
We're sorry you had to come out. If you need to do whatever, we're going to know. We're just going to leave it. He's going to be in control of it. Okay?
You don't want it towed?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
All right.
Unfortunately, she won't be getting back behind the wheel of that luxury car anytime soon, as she was hauled straight to jail on charges of resisting without violence and driving on a suspended license. Learned from this case, a luxury car doesn't exempt you from the law. Operating a vehicle without a valid tag is a crime, not a choice. If you're on the same page, let me know in the comments. Be careful of cars whose owners have no driver's license, as you might encounter a rebel just like in this next case.
I didn't do anything. What are you doing? What are you?
On June 8th, 2025 officers initiated a traffic stop after observing a vehicle traveling without a license plate. Somehow the driver managed to make the officer's day as miserable as possible.
Hi, how are you?
Hi there. Good. How are you?
Good. Officer Censored Eco Police Department. Pulled you over because you don't have a tag on your car. You need a tag on your car. Is there a reason why you don't have a tag on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I am part of the American State Republic. And you know that we do not have to have tags and registration anymore.
Okay.
You know that.
Okay. You have a license?
Yes, I do. But I don't know how much longer it's active because I already have my other card that you can look up all of my records on. It's set up for you guys to look at everything.
Okay. Can I get a 44 for a Southeast citizen?
And I just want you to know I'm traveling in my private vehicle. I am not operating in commerce.
Okay.
And that's why I do not need a tag or registration. I don't even have to have a driver's license. But I just got that, so I haven't had a chance to address my other identification. But this is the new identification. It covers passport, driver's license, all of that. And it has all the documents in there for you to look at.
Okay. Okay. So I'm at least going to need to look at your VIN on your card?
No, you don't have to look at anything. This is my private vehicle.
Okay.
And I'm traveling. I am not operating in commerce.
Okay.
I don't want to, I know you're doing your job. I do get it. But a lot of that is going to be changing.
Okay. So you said it's going to be changing? It's
It
not
already changed.
Okay.
It was
As of right now?
As of January the 1st, no one else is going to ever have to have a driver's license, registration, or tag.
January 1st of what?
Next year, 26.
Okay. We're still in 2025.
But it doesn't matter.
Despite her constant claims of being an American citizen, she fails to produce even a simple driver's license, proving that her unwavering confidence in her legal expertise is entirely misplaced in this situation.
Right now, you are committing a crime. You're resisting.
He's saying that me not getting out of my car, he's saying that being resisting. Can you give me just a minute to make a phone call?
No, you need to step out.
Committed a crime.
You need to step out right now.
You're
resisting.
In Ocoee, and I am at the Public on Claricona, Ocoee.
Hey, sorry, just signal 14. I'm about to bust her window, pepper blaster. Yeah, it's up against a curb. Like, she's in the parking stall. She's up against a curb in a large median area.
Can you please ask your supervisor to come here?
Get out of the car, ma'am.
Please
This
ask
is the
your
last time I ask you. I'm about to make you.
Why are you making me get out of my car? Hold on!
Get out of the car!
What?
Get out of the car right now!
I haven't done anything!
Get out of the car! Get out of the car, or you're gonna get tased.
But why?
I know. I'm gonna see if she gets out.
I didn't do anything. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you?
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You've been resisting this whole time.
I didn't. You were just telling me to get out of
Watch
my
your
car.
eyes, because this is open. Yeah, he was giving you a lawful order to get out of the vehicle, correct? Correct?
I want the fifth. And you're violating my constitutional rights. Can you
stop?
Oh, sorry.
So
Instead of cooperating and exiting the vehicle as ordered, she chose to stay huddled inside. Perhaps she wanted the police to smash her window before she would finally come out, only for them to arrest her immediately.
I asked you for your license. I asked you for.
I gave you my identification. That's
It's not
what
a driver's
you asked.
license.
Oh, I
asked
can
for your
give you my driver's license.
We're
then.
past that point. I already asked you for it.
You asked me for my ID.
No, I asked you for your driver's
and I gave it to her as a passport.
And I didn't ask you anything. I told you to get out. You didn't.
I know, but you didn't even identify yourself and what was going on. Okay, come here. Okay. Can you give him the card? Please get your supervisor here.
Is he on his way?
Yeah, he's already on his way.
So listen, can you give him my card? And on the back, yes, it has all the information. Those codes right there are for you guys. That's what they're for.
She also said everything's going to be changing soon.
But you guys already know this.
Licenses.
Yes, and I'm an American state master. I am not a U.S. citizen.
It says United States of America on this card.
Yes, United States of America, not U.S. citizen. Not the incorporated, not incorporated under the Constitution.
Do you have anything on you right now?
No, I don't.
That address that's on this card and Silverstar, is that where you're living?
Let's see, card.
449 Silverstar Road.
That's
Sweet.
the physical address of my mailing.
That's your mail. You live there,
Correct. But I don't have to. Please don't pull my pants down.
I'm not. Right. Relax. Relax.
We're in
Relax.
public and you're
Relax. Stop.
Don't pull my pants down.
She's not pulling your pants
Okay, you pull my shirt up.
Okay, I pulled your shirt up. I'm not pulling your
Don't
pants
pull
up.
my shirt up. Please don't pull my shirt up again.
Okay. I have to see if you have anything in your waistband.
I don't. My pants are too. You're really hurting my arm, and I'm not doing anything.
I don't need
Then face the car and stop turning around, okay?
I don't need you reaching down to your pants or anything like that. You've already done it.
Okay, but you were pulling them down, and my underwear was hanging out.
Everything was clear, yet her lack of knowledge proved she had no idea whether she was committing a crime or not. That is exactly why she kept repeatedly asking for the reason behind her arrest.
I don't have any. You're taking me to jail? For what?
Obstruction, resisting.
I didn't do any of that, ma'am.
You did.
Can you please get your
Yeah, he's right here.
He's going to do his thing. You're going to sit in my car when he's ready to talk to you. You're going to talk to you.
When you guys hit it, that's when she cooperated?
After I punched it several times, and then it finally like broke through, then she was willing to open the door, and then I didn't like blast,
Okay, good.
pepper blast or
Alright.
anything, because she was like at that point she opened the door. She wasn't getting out, but we were able to get her out without like, using that, escalating that force.
Yeah.
You have to get all the way. He will come over and talk to you.
I'm allergic to air fresheners.
Okay.
So can I keep my head out? I'm really allergic to air
I'll put
fresheners.
the window down.
Okay, thank you. But it's really strong in here. I will have an asthma attack.
I'll put the window down.
All right, what's up?
I did not resist arrest.
You did not?
No, sir, I did
So why
not.
was the window broken out?
Because he just walked up to me, didn't announce who he was, didn't tell me what was going on. He just said, "Get out of your car." And I said, "Well, am I?"
So you were dealing with a police officer already, and then
And then he came up on the other side, and I didn't even. He never announced himself.
okay, he doesn't have to. You were already dealing with an officer. So
I have not
another officer
broken
was
any
there.
laws. I haven't
Okay.
broken any crimes.
Okay, you didn't.
No, sir.
Okay. Well, then we should just release you.
Yes, you should.
Right.
I have not broken any
Okay.
laws. I haven't broken any crimes,
Here's
sir.
the facts. You thought that you were going to be able to do whatever you wanted to do, and that we weren't going to yank you out of your car. Actually,
No, I didn't think that at all.
They got you out of the car pretty nice compared to maybe how I would have handled it. Because I probably would have put an axe pick through that thing, shoveled out the entire glass, and dragged you out that window. If you are told to exit the vehicle, you exit the vehicle.
He was scaring me. I didn't know who he was or what he was doing.
First of all, it got to the point you weren't listening to the initial officer, who
I
by the
gave
way,
her my ID
who by
like
the
she
way
asked. She
is a
never
very
did-
nice officer.
Yes, and I
Okay.
gave it to her. She never asked for anything else. So
and then you
listen
were
to her
told
body
several
cam.
times to exit the vehicle. Yes or no?
But I asked, did I commit a crime? He didn't tell me what was going on.
No, stop. This is where you make the mistake. Were you ordered out of the vehicle, yes or no? It's a yes or no. Were you ordered out of the vehicle?
You guys have violated my constitutional
Okay, then you don't
rights.
have to talk to me. You're the one who asked
Then
me to talk.
I want your superior here, please.
No, he's not coming here.
I
I am the superior. I am the watchman.
Being arrested didn't stop her from being a nuisance and making the officer's shift a living hell. It claimed that the stubbornness of this so-called citizen knew no bounds.
I am an American state national, and I gave her what she asked me for. She asked me for my ID. I gave it to her. She did not come back and ask for something else. And then she did. She came back and asked for my VIN. And I said, you know what? I am traveling as a private citizen in my private vehicle. And you guys do not have permission to be in my car.
But we are. Because you're under arrest.
For
and we're towing
what?
it.
Please tell me why I'm
You
under
know,
arrest.
the very least resisting.
I didn't resist.
Unregistered motor vehicle in the state of Florida.
I don't have to have registration to
Yes,
tag.
you do.
I'm an American citizen. I am not a U.S.
I'm
citizen.
also an American citizen.
I
We
am
all
an
are
American state
citizens.
national. I am not a U.S.
Yeah.
citizen.
Look, whoever filled your head up with this stuff, I'm sorry. It's not real. So that's on you.
The fifth.
Okay. And I'm not asking you any questions. So you can plead the fifth. I'm not
You
asking
guys
you
are
any
violating
questions.
all of my rights.
Okay,
Every
good.
last one of them.
All right. Absolutely. Sure. Good luck with that in court.
Can she please bring my phone over here so I can call my daughter so she can go let the pets out of my house?
Yeah. We'll do that in a bit, okay?
I'm not committing any crime.
Ma'am, we explained
And
to
it
you.
is not a crime not to have a tag or a license.
Yes, it is.
It is not a
Yes, it
crime.
is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. We deal with sovereign citizens all the time. You're not
I'm
the
not a
first one.
sovereign citizen. I'm
Yeah,
an
you
American
are.
state national.
Well, you know what? Sovereign citizens started changing their names to American state
I don't
nationals.
know what the sovereign
So you're an
thing
American
is.
state national / sovereign citizen, whatever, because now you're changing your name so that way, you know, it's like, oh, it's not the same thing. It's the same thing.
So
you're
guys
free
are
to
going-
travel.
Why are you going through my car?
You know, you're free to travel. You don't have to abide by traffic laws like everyone else does, and all this yada yada yada.
No, we
Look,
have
it
to
just
be
it gets
honorable.
tiring. It gets tiring of this.
Can I please explain something? It is about being honorable and not doing any harm.
Sure.
That's what it is about.
You said you wanted to plead the fifth. You got your chance to plead the fifth. You don't have to say anything incriminating, okay?
I want to be let go. I have not committed any.
No, ma'am, that's too late now. We already broke the window. Once we break a window, nah, you go.
No matter how many times the police explained the law, she stubbornly clung to her own belief. Now it's clear exactly why she ended up being arrested.
You just have my daughter come up here and take the car.
Okay, no, we will not.
May I please have my daughter put the water bottle in there? I promise.
No, because I don't know what's in the water.
Can you open it up?
No, because I still don't know what it is.
Ma'am,
Because-
I have
because
major
pure-
medical things, and I'm telling you.
Would you like the fire department?
Yes.
Okay. Just so you know, that doesn't get you out of going to jail.
I'm not
just
trying
letting
to
you
do
know.
that.
So what are your medical
need
complaints?
water. I don't have a large intestine. I have a major.
Okay, so what are you explaining right now? So what?
Is
what
that my
what's-
body can't regulate temperature very well, and it can't regulate when I'm not hydrated. Okay, how dry my mouth is already.
Okay. My mouth is pretty dry too because it's hot outside. I don't have water, and I'm not giving you something that's already opened inside your car because just pure alcohol smells like water. So I don't know what's in that bottle. Okay? Okay, but I don't know. God forbid I gave you something that's not water.
I'll be right back. Okay,
I'm very
listen.
allergic to them.
Okay, it's either or. We have the AC blasting. We got windows down,
It's
so you
not-
gotta either
I'm
choose the
allergic to-
natural air, which
I'm
is
allergic to air fresheners, and
Okay.
I don't have my inhaler.
okay. It's literally 90 degrees out here.
Sir, we
What
can-
difference is it making?
It's the
Please
air.
tell me the
I'm
difference.
allergic to the air fresheners, the chemicals they use to make it smell so good.
Okay, so
So that's what I'm saying.
I open this door. No,
That's
which
all-
you're
I'll
leaving
stay
your legs
in. I
in
just
there.
want my face
I
out.
open the door. What difference does it make?
Because I'm breathing fresh or air and not air that has the air freshener attached to it. Air freshener is wax and oils, and it attaches to the air molecules so it floats to the air. May I please have some water?
I don't have water. I can't give you any water.
I have water in my car, but she said I couldn't because I do understand that, but I really need some water, please.
In a little bit, she's gonna get ready to clear from here, and you can get water at the jail. I mean,
Can I please have some water now?
we don't know what's in your water in that thing. It could be vodka for all I know.
This self-proclaimed American citizen officially landed in jail on charges of resisting without violence and operating an unregistered motor vehicle. Lesson learned: no matter where you are a citizen, you must always abide by the law. How does this make you feel? Share your thoughts below. Next up, we meet a woman who acts like she has a PhD in traffic law, but in reality, her head is empty.
Close my door! Close my door! Get away from the house!
On February 29, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop after noticing a woman driving a vehicle with unofficial license plates. The woman behind the wheel was ready to put on a legal masterclass, unaware that her performance was about to end.
Out in his seatbelt, and your tag is obscured. The top of it, you can't see what it is, and it doesn't come back to anything.
My camera's blocking the top.
Yeah, do you have your driver's license with you? Do you have an actual driver's license?
No, that is my ID. I'm an American State National.
Okay, that's not a thing.
Yeah.
Do you have a registration and valid proof of insurance?
I'm not engaging in the commercial use of the highways or byways, nor am I operating in a for-hire capacity. I'm a foreign national exempt from foreign law under Amendment 11 of both the Constitution and the Constitution of the United States, and I claim all my exemptions.
Okay, so do you have any other documentation from the United States government saying that you're exempt from these, or that you're
I don't have my paperwork in the car with me, but I do have it.
Okay.
And that's my form of ID, and those are my private plates on the car.
Okay, this is a passport. Okay, so I'm aware of your group that you're with. This doesn't grant you any rights to drive.
Please run my passport.
I will. Do you have a driver's license in any state in the United States?
No.
No. Okay. Do you have any other documentation? Nothing from the United States government saying you have diplomatic immunity?
My paperwork is at my house.
Okay. Are you aware that in the United States, when you're a diplomat inside the United, are you claiming to be a diplomat? Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm a foreign state national.
Right. So,
that's what I am.
So you're a foreign state national.
Yes, and
but
if you run my
you're claiming
passport,
diplomatic
you will
immunity,
see.
correct?
If you run my passport, you'll be able to see my documents there. It reflects.
So do you have
my
a
status.
driver's license in any state in the United States?
That is my form of ID, sir.
Do you have a driver's license? That's not my question. Do you have a
No,
driver's license? You do not. Okay.
No, that is my form of ID.
Do you have a registration or a valid proof of insurance for the vehicle? It's a yes or no question.
No.
Okay. Any particular reason he wasn't seatbelted?
No,
he was hanging out the window. Yeah, but when we were behind him, he didn't have his seatbelt
pulled
on.
away from school.
Okay, where did you obtain that tag?
From foreign state national guy in Alabama who makes the plates.
Okay. So you're aware that in the United States and in the state of Florida, you're required to have specific tags that actually go to the vehicle and is registered. Are you aware of that?
My private automobile.
Okay. You've been filled with some false information. So in the state of Florida, you're required to have a driver's license.
The police originally approached her just to inspect her paperwork, following several red flags. Nevertheless, her condescending demeanor and defiant refusal to comply with lawful orders created an incredibly frustrating standoff.
And they keep calling me sovereign citizen and like.
Well, that's what it
even
is.
If you look
That's
it
what
up,
it is.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's not. And when you look it up on the internet, it'll tell you right, but it'll explain it as a sovereign citizen.
Essentially, it's a sovereign. It is a sovereign citizen entity. Do you have keys to the vehicle? Can you hand me the keys?
No, I cannot.
Okay, step out of the car for me. Get out of the car. Unlock it. Can you unlock it?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Step out of the car.
Close my door!
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
Get away from me!
Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Stop.
Get away from me! Stop!
You're gonna get chased. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. You just kicked me. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. Get out of the Get your hands behind your back. Stop. You're fine. I know she's your mom. I know she's your mom. I know it's behind your back. I know she's your mom. Your mom's fine, okay? Go back in the car. Go back in the car. It's okay. We're gonna come take her to the grass and you guys can talk to her, okay? Step away from her.
Those who believe they found some magical loophole to evade the law are often nothing more than professional criminals. She might have been playing that part well, but unfortunately for her, the police caught on to the act early.
My father was arrested! I don't need to have nothing to! No! She's the only person I have! Please!
Step back over here.
Please, please,
Go back to the car, please. Your mom's gonna be okay.
please!
Your mom's gonna be okay.
Please, no, just don't!
We're not gonna hurt her. Your mom's gonna be okay.
She's the only person I have! Nothing wrong, please!
Okay.
These are my children!
Okay.
Please, please!
Go back in the
Come here.
car.
I did
Get these kids away from me.
They forced me out of my car. They dragged me on the floor like an animal. I did nothing at all. I just
Stand
picked
up.
my children up from
Stand
school.
up. Up your phone. Walk over to that car.
I can't believe you're doing this.
Grab that one too. Grab that one too.
I did nothing wrong.
Stop.
Please. No!
Step over here. Unlock your car. Hey! Take a seat in the vehicle. You have any weapons on you? Take a seat.
I tried to talk to you. Why would you drag me out of my car like that? You had no right.
Motor auto sensor,
You had no right. I'm not a U.S. citizen. Okay, I understand you're doing your job and all that, but I did nothing wrong. And now you're forcefully pushing me into
Get in
the
the car. You're under arrest.
Why?
Because you kicked me. Battery on a law enforcement officer. You did. It's on camera. You did kick me. You did kick me.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
You were pushing me, pulling me out of my car.
Okay, stand right here. Yep. You want to play games like this?
I'm not playing any games.
Because then we don't know if you have a weapon. We don't know what's going through your mind. Being a police officer is an inherently dangerous job. So when you're told to do something and you tell them no, we're going to then make you do it. That's just the way it works. This whole sovereign...
But it's still not right. They really
You
forced
committed a
me
crime.
to the crime. I did not hurt anyone. I was not committing a crime.
You committed
They dragged me out
You
of
committed
my
a misdemeanor
car
in the state of
by
Florida.
My legs, like
listen.
I'm a fucking animal.
Well, you kicked him.
Instead of a Sir, I did not kick him. He's dragging my legs, and I'm trying to pull
You
my legs
are-
back to sit up in my seat.
You were
so
driving-
if he got kicked, it was not intentional.
You were driving a motor vehicle that is unregistered in the state of Florida, which is a misdemeanor crime, punishable by jail and fines, so you can go to jail for it.
And you are going to jail for it. You don't have a driver's license in the state of Florida. That's a misdemeanor. You're going to jail for that.
She said she used to have, so she paid
suspended.
$30. Well, no, I know. She paid $30 to this sovereign citizen group to get that tag because she's one of the foreign national things, and They told her you don't need a license anymore, you don't have to register, you don't have to do all this stuff.
She lectured the officers on the law despite the fact that she had officially renounced her status as a bona fide American citizen. It is truly absurd to watch her try to have it both ways.
Echo, Alpha Mike, Delta, Echo, 6, Mike, Ian, 0, 5, 9.
You can
Good
check
for 12.
on the system.
We don't have that system.
Well, you do have the system.
Do you have insurance on the car? Do you have insurance on the car? Can we see proof of insurance?
Where did you get the? Where did you come across this American National?
It's a website.
Yeah.
Just looking. I like to research that.
Okay.
Websites.
Yeah. How long have you been doing this? I mean, are you like, is it a group of people, or do you watch their because they do seminars? Do you watch their seminars?
Yeah, they have things where they educate people.
Yeah.
Like that.
Do you watch those seminars?
No, it's like this.
Okay. One thing I want you to be afraid or be aware of in the future, right? Because most law enforcement officers care about people, right? And we want you to be safe, and that's why we're out here. We want you to obey the law so that you're safe, okay? So the other thing is I want you, what you need to be afraid of in today's society is false information, right?
Make sure that information gets forwarded to Crescenzi as far as their addresses and everything. So we can just keep that out there.
Yeah. Those areas of law are applied to these situations. Have you done that research yourself? No. Right, but you took the word of somebody else thinking that it was 100% true. And that's where you believed that what they told you was doctrine, right? Or that was 100% right, when in fact it isn't. And I feel bad for you because you were victimized by them. Okay, and that's who you should be mad at in this situation. Is the people who wholeheartedly told you you're going to be fine, you're allowed to do this. Because it's been documented time after time after time that somebody tries to do this, and it's proven that it's false. It's not true. Okay? But ultimately, at the end of the day, you can't put your hands on a police officer. Not in the United States, not in the state of Florida, not in the city.
Meanwhile, officers were busy investigating whether Maya's vehicle was properly registered in the state of Florida. At the same time, the other officer remained patient, continuing to explain the actual law to the so-called sovereign citizen.
You're going to receive a citation for unregistered motor vehicle. Your vehicle is going to get towed by Edgewater Towing, and you'll be able to walk home with the kids.
Did you hear that? They want to tow my car.
They can't tow it. It's not.
And he can hear you on the speaker if you want to say something?
It's a vehicle that has 4 wheels and it's powered by a motor. It is a motor vehicle, sir.
Except it's registered as automobile.
No, sir. It's going to get towed. She's going to get a ticket, and she'll be on her way.
Okay, but it shouldn't be towed. But I mean, we're not causing a problem, but it should not be towed.
Well, it's not registered. The Florida registration on it was canceled, so therefore it's no longer registered.
Right, and she doesn't actually need a registration. It is a private property. It's private automobile. It's a part of a trust.
And it's in trust.
It is in a
yes,
trust.
So you keep that in mind.
If you do, I mean,
it's gonna cost
listen,
you guys a lot.
Problems, but if you do tow it, there are going to be issues. It's in a trust. It's private property. It is not to be towed. If you run her passport, it'll show you that you're not supposed to even question or detain her for any reason.
So we're not questioning or detaining her. She actually showed up at the traffic stop at the request of the other female to pick up her kids. It was discovered when she got here that her vehicle was unregistered.
It doesn't have to be registered. We have proof from the Department of Motor Vehicles, from Department of Transportation. It doesn't have to be registered.
They say the Department of Transportation is not real. I don't know what that means.
But again, it does not have to be registered, so please reconsider towing it because that's in violation.
I got you.
Amendment 11.
Okay, I've reconsidered it, and it's still going to get towed, okay?
Okay, you got his name and everything? You have a business card you can give her?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, and Maya, just make sure you take out of the car whatever you need. I'm on my way, so.
Excellent.
Yeah, sorry, Maya.
Yeah, bye. May I have that business? Okay. Is there anything I should know about the keys?
My keys are.
What is the keys?
The house
the car.
keys?
Yeah, my house keys on.
Can we get the house keys off the Honda key ring?
It's the gold key.
Anything for the kids I need to know? Just keep them.
Yeah.
Do you know where my car will be towed to?
Edgewater Towing. Do you have the business card? I can write it on the back for you.
Please.
Yes, ma'am. I can write it on a notebook piece of paper too if you need.
Is it slow?
Where are the keys at?
My house keys, the gold.
No, the car keys. Because it's on the house key. I mean, it's on the car key, right? The house key. You know where that is?
Well, they should be in the car.
They're not.
A kid probably hide it.
Yeah, can you go ahead? Can we get the kids out and take them so I can look in there? I don't want to look with them in there because they're all over the place.
Is Edgewater Towing 2033?
Well, my keys are going with me, aren't they?
The car. So the car keys are going to stay with the car.
But the house.
Hold on. We're just taking the car key off. That's going to stay with the car. The other keys can go with you or with her, whichever you prefer.
So I want to take the house key so I can get the kids in the house. Okay? Because we're gonna walk. Is your wallet there? You want me to
My
take
purse is there.
Your purse is
My
there?
purse is on the
Here you go. Edgewater Towing. Their address 2033 South.
In the end, she was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, failure to register a motor vehicle, unlawful use of a badge, and counterfeiting a license plate. This lesson from the situation is so easy. Never let your pseudo-legal delusions become the heavy price your innocent children have to pay with their trauma and stability. Share your feelings in the comments below. This story truly gives us a lot to think about. If you thought the last one was bad, wait until you see the next rebel. She's about to turn the volume up to 10.
It's a right. It's a God-given right for me to be able to travel.
Do you have your register?
On June 8th, 2025, a routine stop escalated when a self-proclaimed state national refused to cooperate. After barricading herself inside and resisting violently, she learned the hard way that her theories couldn't stop an arrest.
It's okay. Is this your license and registration?
I no longer use a license. I only have my passport that I use. I'm a state national, so I no longer have to abide by the corporation's rules, and I have my documentation for that.
Okay.
Those were previous citations that were dismissed by Judge Crone.
Yeah, this doesn't show me anything of why you don't have to have a driver's license, though.
I'm a state national, so I'm exempt from the problem or the what you guys do. I'm exempt from the.
Usually, you have a card on you that states that they give you that you're exemplary.
Yeah, they haven't sent it to me yet, but I have filed all the paperwork and it's been in place for 6 years.
It's been in place for what?
6 years.
And you don't have, if it's been in place for 6 years, you don't have the prior one?
They didn't send it to me yet.
In the whole entire 6 years, you've never had anything?
You know how our federal government works, so.
So what do you provide for documentation wherever you go? You only provide...
Yes, ma'am.
You should have been at least issued an identification card. Even if you don't have a driver's license,
No,
you should have a
because the
Florida
identification card again abides by your rules, leaning ownership of my vehicles, of myself to you. And I'm no longer a part of the corporation, so I'm exempt. So what we're doing here is illegal as far as me, because I no longer participate in the extortion of the police department.
Are you stating you're a sovereign citizen?
I'm not state national.
State national.
I'm not sovereign. I'm a state national.
Okay.
I'm a part of the Republic of the United States.
Okay.
No longer a part of the corporation.
Where do you reside at?
I reside in Naples, Florida.
Where exactly?
Here in Naples.
I know, but I need to know so I can issue you a citation. I need to know your address.
You don't have to issue me a citation.
We still have to follow the rules that everybody else follows.
No, ma'am, I do not. I do not. That's why I always get it excused.
Driven by sovereign citizen ideologies, she believed she could travel freely without a driver's license. However, when confronted by police, she fabricated 1,000 excuses to mask her lack of legal documentation.
Okay, so I'm on a traffic stop with a woman who's stating she's not a sovereign citizen, but she's a citizen. And
There's more documentation from the judge.
okay, can you repeat again what you just told me?
I'm a state traveler. I'm a state national. I have the right to travel freely. I'm not encumbered by any of your laws or regulations.
Stating she doesn't have to have a driver's license. She can run the stop sign, do everything,
common law.
and that she travels through common law. And
If she fails to produce identification or a driver's license, you can
I did produce my.
she gave me her passport, but she says she doesn't have a driver's license. She doesn't need a driver's license. She doesn't have one for 6 years.
If she doesn't have a driver's license, just like anyone else, she can be arrested for not having a driver's license.
No state shall convert
Thanks,
my.
Sarge.
I'll send you back up.
It's
Okay,
a God-given
thanks.
right.
All right, bye.
It's a God-given right. You guys are extorting money from us. It's a God-given right. Murdoch versus Pennsylvania. It's a God-given right. We're the supreme law of the
Ma'am, do you have your
land.
registration for the vehicle?
I don't have registration with me now. I don't have to provide it. I am.
Ma'am, you do. You're driving a
No,
vehicle
ma'am. I am
on the road.
common law. I it is not a
understand your
privilege. It's a
common
right.
law.
It's a God-given right for me to be
Ma'am.
able to travel.
Ma'am, do you have your registration with
No, I
you?
don't.
Okay. So you have no registration, no driver's
I
license?
have it. I just don't have it on me. I don't have to carry it.
Okay.
So
Well,
go ahead and call your supervisor
In the
here.
event, you get into an accident with somebody or somebody
I have
all
it.
these documents
I
have
have
to
it. I have insurance.
Okay. Well,
I
yes,
have
but the
insurance,
vehicle
and I've
has to
also
be
got a bond.
registered, too.
So there's no
That's
injured party here, honey.
Okay.
You
It
don't-
doesn't matter if there's no
Absolutely
injured
it
party.
does. That's when a crime is committed. That's the only time you can pull me.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
There's
you
an
need to-
injured party.
No,
You're
that's not how
offering.
it works.
You're offering the contract is not accepted.
Stand by.
You're offering.
Her faith isn't inherently wrong, but her belief that God is the sole lawmaker rather than the legal system is completely mistaken. This led her to become blinded by reality and turn a routine traffic stop into a legal disaster.
The vehicle off for me.
What's the purpose?
Because your driver's license is actually expired, ma'am. You don't have
the
a
state of
valid
Florida
driver's
has turned
license.
my freedom to travel freely
Ma'am,
into a.
what I need you to do right now is turn your car off for me so we can get this situated.
What are we getting situated?
I'm trying to help you,
What are you trying to help me with?
ma'am.
No, I don't understand. What are you trying to help me with?
I've explained everything to you. I've been
I-
very
I-
kind and helpful
I
to
can't
you.
go forward without my attorney.
Okay, that's fine. I
So
need
call
you to...
your supervisor.
My partner is here with
I
me
need
right
your
now.
supervisor. Call your
Okay.
supervisor, please.
We can do that
And what
too.
is your badge number, please?
Ma'am, I'm trying to help you in the
You
best
have to-
way that
you
I
have to
can.
disclose your badge number.
And I have no problem doing
You
that.
have to disclose your badge number right now, according to Shapiro versus Thompson.
Okay, that's no problem, ma'am.
These are constitutional laws that have been put in place, ma'am. That's what I follow, the Constitution. The
that
state
is-
of Florida has
that is
taken my
good.
right to
That is
travel
good.
freely
That is
in my
okay.
private vehicle and turned it into a privilege,
That's
which is
okay.
against my constitutional rights.
That's okay.
I am not contracting with you.
Okay.
My partner has been very kind with you.
I understand.
Listen,
Go ahead and get your
Hear
supervisor.
me out for a second, okay?
Just, I heard what you had to say. At this point, she has asked you to turn the vehicle off and step out of the vehicle.
If she wanted to travel freely without a license, she should have walked rather than driven a car. Now the police are about to do exactly what everyone has been waiting for.
You're going to step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to make you get out of the vehicle?
I'm going to church.
No, you're going to get out of the vehicle right now. Nope. Nope.
Stop
Do
it.
not. Do not.
Stop it.
Do not. No.
Hey, don't.
No.
Oh my
no.
God.
No. No.
Keith.
No. No.
Stop. Leave me alone.
Listen.
Oh my God, I'm going to church.
You are
Stop it. Leave me alone. Please stop. Oh my God, are you crazy?
No. You're going to step out of the vehicle
Oh
right
my
now.
God. Wait, let me turn my vehicle
No.
off.
Do not grab me. No.
Stop.
Do not.
Stop
Do not.
it.
Grab this one. please.
I'm gonna lock up my car.
No.
I'm gonna
No.
lock up my car.
No.
Ma'am, we tried to help
Oh my
you.
God, Bert. Oh,
Central Bravo.
Hold on, get your
Listen,
supervisor.
Step out. Step out.
Oh
Step
my
out.
God, let me
Step
put
out
my
now.
car in
Step
park.
out now. Step
Let
out
me
now.
put my car in
Step out
park.
now. Now.
Step out.
Now.
Step out.
My car's
Step out.
Stay right there. Do not move.
Oh my God. Oh.
Yep.
Nobody else in the car?
Nope.
Please lock
Step.
up my car.
No.
I want to lock up my car.
Okay, I'm gonna take care of it in a second.
Please let me go to church. Don't tighten them again. You don't have to tighten them that much, sir.
and they are loose.
Relax.
Ow, you don't have to tighten it, sir.
Not tightening.
They have
You
to,
are. You're tightening
They
my
have to be
band.
clamped on. They're handcuffs.
Are you the supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Okay, I need you to please give my purse and call my attorney.
Ma'am, I'm not calling your attorney.
Wait a minute.
I will get, we will
You're
take
not-
care of your property.
You're going to have a seat right now.
Don't handle me like that,
You're gonna
kid.
sit down, please.
Stop it.
Sit down and put your legs in.
The standoff finally ended with an arrest after the officers exhausted all attempts at reasoning with her. Their excessive patience was likely the only reason she wasn't hauled away much sooner.
Tow my vehicle. Can I please call my brother?
No,
Why?
because it's getting towed.
Why? That's theft.
It's not.
Sir, you're stealing my car if you impound it. Sir, can I please secure my vehicle? Sir. Let me secure my car, please. My purse and everything. How am I supposed to get out of jail?
It's getting towed.
What about my personal belongings?
They're going to be secured in the vehicle.
Sir, I've got money in that purse. Please don't do that to me.
What kind of money do you have?
I have over $2,000 in that purse. Please.
Okay. I can check with the supervisor and ask you if
Please let me have my purse so I can post bail. Please.
Let me check. She would like to bring her purse with her to jail.
Making sure I see a lot of lighters, so I
Okay.
just want to make sure
Okay,
there's
just
nothing
confirm.
in here that's not supposed to be in here before we bring it to the jail.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna type the jail intake. She can have her phone too. I will bring your purse and your phone for you.
Thank you, sir.
Yep,
Can you please roll up my windows?
we will.
And I can't have the coat towed because it's on a security.
It's gonna get towed. There is nothing around that.
What if you f up my car?
It's not going to,
How do you know that?
because we notate any damage on it prior to the tow.
There is no damage on my car.
And there won't be any when you get it.
How do I get it?
You'll be advised on where it's going to get towed to.
How long am I going to be in jail?
I can't answer that question. I don't know. That's not up to us.
Her plans for church have been replaced by a jail cell following charges of assaulting an officer and violent resistance. Learned from this encounter, or faith is a personal journey, not a legal defense. Divine belief is no excuse for legal defiance. Which case caught your attention the most? Make sure to subscribe for more intense confrontations. See you in the next video.